Imagine healthcare that reaches people where they are, no matter where they live. The mobile clinic vehicle allows you to bring essential healthcare services to the people that need it most. Hello, my name is Alec Jones from MoveMobility, and today I'm excited to show you our mobile clinic vehicle. We envision a world where healthcare doesn't just exist behind clinic walls, but reaches out to people right where they live. Today, we're excited to share a solution that brings healthcare services right to the people who need it the most. Mobile clinics are changing the way that Canadians receive healthcare. Rural communities that would otherwise face limited access to healthcare services, those sleeping on the street with no address or mode of transportation, or First Nation communities that don't have access to culturally appropriate care. The mobile clinic vehicle can go anywhere and be customized to your organization's specific needs. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make mobile clinics a trusted choice for health organizations and communities across the country. The mobile clinic vehicle is delivered with your team's requirements in mind. Starting with the examination bed area, with integrated storage, this allows you and your team to deliver field care right where it's needed. Storage is built right in, keeping tools and equipment easily accessible for your team. This empowers providers to offer timely care without relying on a permanent facility. For a mobile clinic, hygiene and sanitation are vital. Wipe-clean cabinets ensure quick and thorough sanitation between patient visits, meeting health protocols and promoting a safe environment for everybody. The mini fridge located underneath the desk can be upgraded for precise temperature controls for vaccines or medications that your team may require. This allows critical medications to stay preserved, ensuring that every patient receives reliable treatments. Running water is essential for maintaining sanitation standards. With the built-in sink and running water system, infection control is never compromised. The mobile clinic vehicle is designed to support the workflow of healthcare teams, allowing you to serve more people every day. The desk space is equipped with multiple power outlets, USB charging devices. This workspace enables professionals to maintain digital records and use essential tools on the go. It's a setup designed to boost efficiency so more patients can receive critical care. The built-in cab divider provides a comfortable and confidential environment, helping patients feel secure during their visit. No two healthcare programs are the same. This mobile clinic vehicle is built with the adaptability in mind to suit your specific requirements. Whether it's specialized programs, outreach initiatives, or regular checkups, this mobile clinic vehicle can be designed to meet the demands of your operation. The comprehensive lighting package improves visibility, promoting safety for both patients and staff during all conditions, day or night. The rear heat and air conditioning system keeps both staff and patients comfortable, ensuring care can continue no matter the season. If there are any specific requirements or add-ons that you want for your mobile healthcare program that you don't see in this video, reach out to us today and we'll set up a meeting with our mobile healthcare expert to ensure that we design a vehicle specifically for your requirements. And if it's something that we can't do, we'll point you in the right direction to ensure you get the right vehicle for your program. By removing transportation barriers, reducing the stigma, and delivering culturally appropriate care, mobile clinics are transforming the way that healthcare is delivered. If you're thinking about how to start a mobile clinic, we've put together a 10-step guide on how to do so. I've linked that down below, and of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're always here to support you.